Good evening, everyone. Shortly in this video, I'll be showing you and likewise also teaching you how to create a progressive donut chart. You can see on my Excel worksheet here, we have a table which comprises of two columns, metrics column and performance column. Under metrics, we have service level, productivity percent, and sales conversion percent. The under performance, we have 80, 45, and 20%. So we are going to create progressive chart for each of the cells in the table. So what we do first of all, we copy our table. We need to copy the table, we paste the table. So under the performance column, you can see that we are given a numeric value of numeric digits which is 80%, this is in percentage, that is 100%. So you can see 80%. So 80, the remaining percentage of 80% is what? 80 minus 100, or 100 minus 80, which is 20. Like that. We do it for the second cell under performance column, then for the third cell under performance column. So like that. So in Excel, we have to generate a formula for that to get that our formula to get our answer. So one is equal to one minus what? The cell. Click enter. What you now do is duplicate the cell so that the formula will be applicable. Sorry. So the formula what will be applicable to others. Once you are done, you go to insert. Under insert, we look for the donut chart that will fit in. So you can see that this our chart here is very wide. So we have to reduce the size. Under format, you click 2 and you click 2. You click 2. So you can see our donut chart size has been reduced. See it here. So you right click on your chart, you click outline, no outline, then you click fill, no fill. So you right click on your chart and select data or select data. So what we are going to do, we are going to segment our chart into various, we are going to divide our chart into various segments, let's say into 20 segments. So 1 in 20 places, that 1 times 20, that's in 20 places. So you click add here, you come to your serial value. Under your serial value, well, 1 in 20 places, that's 1 divided by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you click OK. As you can see, you successfully divide our chart into various segments. So you come here, you delete this one, and your chart title, you delete it also. So you can see that our chart has been plotted. So what we're going to do, we reduce the size or we increase the thickness or the size of our chart, donut chart. So you right click on it, you click format series. So I'll reduce it to 65% to make it thicker. So once you do it, you can see 65% is thicker. So you duplicate what? You duplicate your chart. You duplicate your chart because we are going to create chart for all the what cells in under matrix column. So you duplicate your chart. So that's what we are trying to do. So please pay attention. Duplicate your chart. So once you duplicate the chart, now you click on this chart. You click on it, then you select what? You select data type. You select data type. So under this data type, mind you, before you select your data type, we need to select color for this our chart. So I prefer using this color. I prefer using green, darker green scent 25%. And for this one, I prefer using I prefer blue for the first one, then green for the second one. Then the third one is orange color for the third one. Orange color for the third one. So you can see orange color here. So what to do, you highlight on your chart, then select what? Data, select data. Under select data you had. So we want to select our serial name for our what? For the first donut chart, which is what? Service level percent. Then under the serial value, we select 80 by 20%. Then you click OK. Then you click OK again. You select the chart again, select data. So we are going to click add. Our serial name this time around with productivity percent. Under our serial value, we start what? 45 by 55. Okay and okay. Thank you very much. Then the third one, you right click on the set again, select data, you add again. Ought to be our serial name this time around, which should be what sales conversion. Then our serial value this time around will be what 20 by 80. Then you click OK and OK again. As you can see, OK and OK again. You can see gradually we're approaching. Then you select on your what? Select on your chart. Select on your chart. Once you select on your chart, change data type series. Scroll down. Click select OK under the secondary axis. Select OK. You click OK. Then the second one under your chart. Under your chart, you select what? Sorry, you select your what? Change chart type. Before you change data type, we need to what? Select data. We have to redo this one again because we've done some technical error. Come here, you remove, you add again. Your serial name is this, then your value is this. Click OK. Click OK. Then you come here, select on your chart, click chart type series, then you click secondary, you click secondary, you click OK. Then the third one, you right click on your chart, select chart type, select on your chart, right click on it, select chart series, you click secondary, and you click OK. Then the first chart, you right click on it, then you click format data point. Under here, you select no fill. You can see then under the second one, you select what? Solid fill. Which our solid fill will make it what? White. Solid fill will make it white. Once we make it white, then transparency is what? 20%. As you can see, then come here to the other one. Right click, double click, then click format data points, making your what? Your no fill. Then your other chart, you make it what? Solid fill. Then you put it 20%. Then the third one, you come again, you click on your chart, right click, format data point, come in, no fill. Then under this, you click solid fill, then you put it at 20%. As you can see, we successfully was created as owner chart. So we are going to add our percentage. So you go to insert under text box by the left hand side here, click on text, you drag it down here, then you go to your formula bar equals to, click select this cell, then click enter, then center it, put it to impeach, 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 impact, impact should be here, select impact, center it, make it 30, 30. So you come here, scroll down, you center here, you do the same formatting under outline, you say no outline, under fill, you say no fill. As you can see your chart, then we change the color. Our color is what color do we actually use for the text? We use, first one is blue, make it blue. Okay, you come here, you duplicate it into two because we are also going to create for this one and create for this one too, so you pay attention. So you come here now, under here, you click 45%, click enter, then you copy this style, then paste it on it, come here again, equals to this one, click enter, you copy this style, you paste it here. Sorry, copy this style, then you paste it here, then you copy this, you format the color. The color here is green, darker green, then the color here is what? Darker so you can see that it's very big. So you can decide to do the style where you want. So you come here, carry your ball, insert it here, come here, carry your ball, insert it here, which is 45. If you are not happy with this, you can decide to increase the size of your donut chart to make it bigger. And then insert the chart of your donut chart here to make it bigger. And then to make it bigger, then insert the chart of your chart to make it bigger. Okay. I see it's 45. You can see 45. You can make your 45 big also. Okay, 45%. So you can see it here. This one is 80%. Put it here. Under this 80%, you come here, you duplicate it. You carry one 80%. So it depends on how you want it to be big. So your 20% also, you have to set it to make it big. Or you can come here, make it 32, make this one to 32, then make this one to 32. So it will be big enough for you to see what you are doing, so you won't make mistake. So you come here, go to your insert on what? Sales, click enter, center it, come here, you go to Calibra, you color this, you should color whatever color you want. You are using blue and make it bold. As you can see, we make it bold. You can reduce it. Okay, as you can see, operation. Then you come here, you duplicate it, bring it here. You duplicate it also, you bring it here. So this other one, you come to your formula bar, you minimize it, then you click on productivity and click enter. You come here, copy the formula and paste it on it. Come here to formula bar, reduce the size, click on service content, then click enter, then come here, you copy also, then you paste it here. Here you change the color. Don't forget that you need to change the color so that everything will match. Green, and then color here will be what? Will be orange like you use. So you can see, congratulations, we successfully create our progressive donut chart for both service level productivity and then sales conversion. To be sure of what we just did now, what we have to do, once you come to this cell and you change the digit here, you can see that your chart immediately start communicating. So if this is 45%, or 45%, I can make it what? 50%. 50%. Then you can see here, then here instead of 30%, 20%, I can make it 30%. You can see here 30%. So you can see that I've successfully created a progressive donut chart. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thank you very